This is Renee Caputo, multilingual ESL specialist with Duke University's Thompson Writing Program. In today's screencast, we'll explore the online resource Cite This For Me that can help you create citations. On the opening page, you can choose your citation style. We can see Harvard, APA, and MLA citation tabs here, but there are many other styles available in the More tab. Let's imagine you need an APA citation for a journal article. We'll click here on APA and then choose Journal. You can now search for the article title or enter a digital object identifier. I think for most of us, it's much easier to add the article title. And I'm looking for On the Nature of Second Language Writing, and we'll click Search. And in a moment, we'll see the results. Here we go. This is exactly what I'm looking for. On the Nature of Second Language Writing, Replication in a Postmodern Field from 2012. Yes, since this is a free site, we do have pop-up ads, but life goes on. Let's click on Cite. Now, Cite This For Me shows me what information it has found. That looks all right to me. We have an author, that's correct, 2012. The article title and journal title look good. Issue number, volume, and pages. So let's click on Continue. And now you have the ability to add any additional information you want to add. I think the main thing here might be if you have a quote that you would like to add in, you could copy and paste that in here after you click on Attach Quote. One thing to keep in mind with that, if you plan to do that direct quotation, if you look at some APA style information on Purdue OWL or other such sites, when you do a direct quotation, you're going to want to save that page number for your in-text citation. So if you copy and paste a quotation here, also include that page number, whether it was page 301 or such, so that you can add that into your in-text citation. Let's complete the citation. And now it says it was successfully created, and we can scroll down here. We have an in-text citation and a bibliography citation, and you can copy each of those here. All right, so let's go up again. This time I want to add in another reference. It's going to be a book by the scholar Tony Silva. Okay, so here we are going to go to Tony Silva, and this book was actually written with the first author in our bibliography. Let's see what we have. Here we go, On Second Language Writing, Silva and Matsuda, and we're clicking on Cite. And here's the information. Notice that it's missing one of our authors, but if we click Continue, we'll get more information. And thankfully, both those authors are here. Looking down, we can see what else we have. Again, if you want to attach a quotation, you can click on that and you can copy and paste that in. I do not have one I want to add, so I'm going to complete this citation. And now we can scroll down again, and we have our two entries now. Notice they're in alphabetical order for a bibliography. So in your bibliography, when you copy these and paste them in, you want Matsuda first, and you want Silva second. If you notice, I'm saying his last name in two different ways. There's the Japanese pronunciation, and then there's the way in which he introduces himself at conferences. Either one of those is fine. So let's go ahead and try one more citation, but first note here, the warning, your bibliography will expire in 604,000 some seconds. Don't lose your work, create an account. So you can consider if you'd like to do that. I haven't tried that, but I believe there's a free account available. So here we go again. You know how this goes. We're going to click on Add New Reference. and I'm looking for a journal article. And it's called The Place of World Englishes. And composition, that's the beginning of the title. We'll see if we get it or not. And we're scrolling down. Some other interesting things, but I don't see it. So this time we're going to try a manual entry. That means you get to enter all the information yourself. Or in this case, I do. So the first name of our author is Suresh, and the last name is Kanagaraja. The journal article is not from 2019, it's from 2006. So we'll scroll down here, 2006, and we get to put this in again. Whoops. And composition. Okay, that looks all right. Our journal is College Composition and Communication. Volume number is 57. Issue number is 4. And the range of pages for the article 586 to 619. I'm going to imagine that I read this in the library and took the journal off the shelf. If you found this online at a particular site, you can put it in here, under the URL. Again, if you like to attach a quote, you have that possibility there. If you think the source might change over time, you could add the date on which you found the article online, right up there. I'm going to complete the citation. And now you know the drill. Scroll on down, and now we have 3, reminding you that they'll be in alphabetical order. And again, you can copy each bibliography citation and each in-text citation into whatever document that you're working on. So that is a tour of how to use Cite This For Me. I hope that you will try to assist you with your citations.